Hello, I'm doing some more experiments around creating a tabletop AR experience, and what I'm looking at right now is understanding using a particular SDK, in this case Mapbox. So I'm going to run this a second, and what this does is load up the Mapbox SDK. And then what I've done is down here I've created an object called my object, and my object is here. See, there's a spawn on map script, and on here we have it's connected to a map, and we have certain items. I've spread them all next to each other, and then it uses a prefab, which is a model where I want to place somewhere on the world. What you can see here is, as I'm scrolling, it's loading the tiles, but the prefab I've got, it's staying where it's expected to stay. So if I zoom around and I pan, they're not, unlike the other SDK, it's not jumping around. Instead, it's staying where it's supposed to be. These items I would need to detect if the local space and global space, whether this marker is entering this particular section, because we only want to show it when the marker is appearing in a particular section. So if I zoom out, you can see it still stays in place. If I rotate, it's not having that horrible jumping experience that I had before. And as before, you can see these black loading grid. So these maps are streamed as I'm browsing. So that's behaving how I would expect.